Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So it is Monday, y'all, meal prep Monday, and this Monday is a little different because I have to go grocery shopping today. So I don't have everything that I need to meal prep. So grocery shopping should have been Saturday. However, the way things ended up with finances, y'all, this light is ridiculous. The way things ended up, that's better. The way things ended up with finances, we had to go Monday because we are really on a strict budget and trying to stick to it. So today I have to go with my two kids. One of them did not go to school today because his throat is hurting. And so we just kind of cut him some slack and let him stay home. The other one, of course, he's with me every day. So we have to go to the grocery store and get this grocery shopping done, y'all, for the week. So it's Monday. We're not starting with meal prep. I woke up, got everything situated with what we needed to get situated before we left. Now we're all packed up in the car, about to pull off. And so, y'all, I wanted to start the vlog so I can bring y'all along with me because today is probably going to be a really busy day. I'm going to get done all that I can get done in today. Whatever I don't get done, we'll just finish it tomorrow. So I'm gonna go grocery shopping. Once I get back home, take the groceries upstairs, I will start meal prep. I'll probably take a break because this is probably gonna be a lot, but I'm gonna take y'all along with me to see, you know, the day in the life of a mom of two beautiful boys getting it done, y'all. Listen, okay? It's gonna be a journey. So it's time to go. As you can see, he's fussing. So I'll see y'all when we get to the store. All right, y'all, we made it to Aldi's. And so let's go ahead. I got my bag, y'all. I'm prepared. One thing about Aldi's, baby, they're gonna help you to be prepared. I got my bag, y'all. He's asleep, so I'm about to take him in a car seat. Yeah. PJ, close that door. I'll be right back. I'm about to go get the cart. Okay? Let me go get this cart, y'all. Locked in that car. This cart is in the cart. Is just, I don't take my time in the store. So, alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. So, I'm old fashioned. So, I got my old fashioned list. And I'm starting to get my stuff, y'all. I'm in here. What?
You make oats from all the time. I want to eat some.
Alright, y'all, I got
When you finish this infinity, to infinity,
I needed to get from here mostly everything, most of the stuff on my list. He's woke. Alright, y'all, we're in the car now. Everything's good, packed in. Now we are off to Woodman's. Woodman's
is by Aldi, so it's gonna be fast.
Yeah, he was going too fast. Actually did a good job, y'all. I actually ended up spending $140 something in Aldi's. And I got a whole bunch of coconut water, and I'm glad I did because my babies love it. My husband, we all love it. And we also drink it. We drink it plain with like putting fruit in the bottom of our cup. And we also drink it. We also drink it, and I put it in our smoothie. So yeah, y'all, we doing good. We doing good. So this is the beginning of the month, so it's November. Today's November 6th. So this is the first time we go grocery shopping. Sorry about the beep, y'all. It's because I don't have my seatbelt on because Woodman's is literally right next to Aldi's. But I try to stock up on like the stuff, like a lot of stuff that we will need throughout the month for the first time we go grocery shopping. Stuff that I know that like necessities I know we'll need throughout the month. And so I set the budget a little higher than I would set the budget in the next weeks, the following weeks from the first week. So this week our budget was $355, or maybe no, it wasn't $355, about $300 to $350, depending on, you know, what it is that I have on the list. So based on my list, about $300, and I only spent $140. But we're gonna have to get water jugs, so we'll see. I think Woodman's is the last place I have to go, y'all. So we're gonna see how this goes. I actually just pulled up at Woodman's, so I'm going down to the side that I like to go down and go in and out, where pickup is. Let's see if we can find a good park. Like, it's Monday morning, y'all. It is 11:22 and Woodman's is packed. Woodman's is packed. Should I park here? This is a good spot. I'm gonna park here. Woodman's is packed already. So we're gonna see how this goes. I should have got my baby's diapers while we were in Aldi's, but whatever. I didn't prepare for that. I didn't bring the money for that, and so we're really strict, like I said, on specific things. And if I didn't bring the money for where that money is, then we ain't getting it right now until I have that money. So we going in with me. All done. All done. Y'all, we are done at Woodman's, leaving now. Alright, y'all, I'm back home. And I got what I need. I got all the groceries that we need. I got a whole pack thing of coconut water. There's 12 of them. I got all my cans for chili. I got my Alfredo sauce. I got some crackers and stuff. Alright, y'all, so this is my grocery. Over here, down here, over there. I did put some away already, y'all, but I figured I'd just set it out on the table. First of all, because it was overwhelming. Second of all, so I could show y'all. So I did put like my oranges, my bell pepper, some of my produce away. I got bananas over there, onions. So I did put that stuff away, y'all, but other than that, I did show y'all majority of it. So I'm about to get ready now to put all of this stuff away, y'all. Put a pizza in the oven for myself and my kids so that we can eat lunch. And then after I kind of take a little break and sit down a little bit after lunch, I'm going to get into meal prep. And my husband had an early day today, so he is coming home. So I have help, and I'll be able to get a lot of cooking done today. So stick around, y'all, when we get through this day. Oh yeah, it is 12:55. That's not bad timing to go to the grocery store and get the things that we need. And yeah, so that's not bad. So go ahead, and I'm about to do this, put this stuff away, eat lunch, and all that good stuff. All right, y'all, it's 3:08. I said by 2:30 I was gonna get back to it, but I took some time to clean the dishes we ate, but I really just took some time to just lay down on the couch and just breathe, talk to God, and yeah, put my son to sleep. So now I'm about to start. I just noticed that I missed a pack of meat because I thought I had it here, but that's okay because I'm gonna make it work with what I have. So I'm gonna get started on the chili, y'all. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm going to get all of these cans open and put it in my crock pot that I have right here, so that beans and stuff can start warming up, heating up. The sauce, the paste, everything that I put in there, that can start warming up and getting heated up. so that when I put the meat and the vegetables like the peppers and the tomatoes in there, it'll all be, and the onion, it'll all be hot already. So I'm about to start with that. This is wet. I knew I smelled something fishy. The shrimp is like thawed out and it leaked on the oven. That's okay. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do, y'all. I'm about to open this. I probably won't be vlogging a lot of what I'm doing like I would in a normal video, but because I'm tired, and yeah, we went grocery shopping, and so this wasn't a normal meal prep Monday, but I will be showing you guys. It'll probably be mostly music playing and you guys just seeing what I'm doing, and I'll be just showing you guys like the finished product and stuff like that, and a little bit of the work that I'm about to do. So you see a lot of food over there as well. I'm prepped and ready, so I'm about to get to it, y'all. Y'all, potatoes boiling. I gotta do the Alfredo and all that good stuff. Chili cooking. Baby crying. Yeah, this is done. It's about to go on my potatoes. I have to peel those. Still ain't cooked the Alfredo. That's the last thing. This is done.
I am so tired. I've been on the couch for a long time. I ate around like 7:30 here in the living room, and I've been in here pretty much ever since. I had put my son's linen on his bed for him to go to sleep, but I've been in this living room for a very long time. It's now 10 o'clock, and I am so wore out. I still have to put the chili in bowls and put all of the Tupperware in the refrigerator. And I'm so tired. I told myself that I was going to stay woke, but that didn't work. It's not working. I thought I was going to stay woke for a long time, but that's not going to work. So I'm about to get ready to go to bed. I just wanted to end this vlog off. Hopefully the music playing in the background is not going to be like I don't know. But I hope y'all had, I know that this video wasn't a lot. It wasn't probably as interesting as my other Monday meal prep days, but I told myself that I was going to pick up the camera and vlog because I'm being consistent. So at least trying to be consistent and putting forth effort. I'm going to sleep, y'all. I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to this video. Like this video if you like it. And click the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload videos. Other than that, y'all, that's it. Love y'all. I hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed, and prosperous day. And like I always love to say, be you because you are enough. Bye, y'all.